I'm outside in an AMG.
Right? Yep. Yeah.
We just don't be having.
Yeah, we don't. Cause our mans be cooking.
Pulling up, no Pirellis. Me and my girls, we hopping out them foreign things. Prime time, my nigga, my time. Tryna get at me, but who ain't nigga wait in line. We ain't come here for this, 'cause most of these bitches ain't built like this.
What's up, pretty girl gang? It's your girl Princess Layah. I'm back with a video. So today I got my girl Chaz in the cut. I am doing a, I don't even know what I want to call this video. It's not a get ready with me. It's not a, I guess it's a vlog. But what kind of vlog is this?
Hair
it's more
vlog.
I'm doing a hair vlog.
Day.
Girls Day hair vlog. Get my girl together, customizing her wig.
It's a girls' night every night.
Girls night. Allie just left. She was here. She's gonna be actually getting the pink wig. Y'all know I talk about my wigs all the time in my videos, so I'm so excited because we're gonna install this one on her. And I'm customizing Chaz's right now. You know, she ready to get it together, ready to get her on.
Okay, because she's been bald.
I can't wait to like install this. This is gonna be so much fun. So she's going for a blonde skunk look.
Tell her.
Black, you know what I'm saying? Very classy, very cute. So we're about to wash it out and then we're gonna get to installing, and I cannot freaking wait.
I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now, we're falling apart. From miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, ride and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living, I've been intentional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
AMG, right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go from underground garages. Presidential suite on deposit. Elevator up to the room. Shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog and he knows what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. Safe on arrival, pistol on J's for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night though. Baby brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think this was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty cities in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You can go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day, baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
Y'all, this is the finished look.
Can I have it here?
Child, Chaz thinks she all of that. And guess what? She is.
Special shout out to the Princess Exchange. You and your girl right once again. Shout out to Miss Flawless on the hair. But let me tell you something. Two things for sure. I don't care. Oh, I thought somebody said something to me who don't have a skunk patch.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Period.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is Lil Mama posing as Miss Beyonce.
She's so sick.
They just could cook.
Period.
Allie cooks more than all of us, I think.
Yeah,
I only cook when Rob's not here.
I don't cook at all. Flo be the one cooking.
But no, that's not true. Cause you made that meal for me that time I had that
I
hangover.
sure did.
And what? It was
We just
busted.
don't be having to.
Yeah, we don't.
We just don't.
Cause our mans be cooking. Rob definitely do be throwing down though. I be seeing.
Come on, go here.
Well, y'all, my baby daddy coming down here soon.
Oh. Alright, y'all. So I just got done with Chaz's hair. It actually came out so perfect. I felt so good. I'm like so proud of my work and everything that I've been accomplishing so far. And yeah, so I do got more clients this week, so I'm actually be really busy this week, so y'all might not get an upload every day, but I'm gonna do my best to upload as much as I can. So I'm doing Allie's hair on, well, I have my cousin's hair to do tomorrow. I have Allie's hair to do on Thursday. She wants it done Wednesday, but I'm trying to talk her into waiting because she has her gender reveal on Saturday, so I want her hair to be like fresh, you know. But she can't wait to get this pink wig on. Like, she cannot wait. So I'm trying to, me and Chaz are trying to talk her into like waiting a little bit. So I might do her either Thursday or Friday. I'm hoping she kind of can try to stick around to at least Thursday, but I would prefer Friday. But I heard her mention something about Wednesday, and she's just so excited. She wants to like do it now. Like, she wanted it today, but me and Chaz was like, no, it has to be fresh. And you know, for the gender reveal. And I'm so excited. So Saturday is the gender reveal. I'm super excited. And yeah, so it took me some hours to do Chaz's hair, but it was definitely worth it. I had to dye it and all this stuff like a couple times, so that took a while, but happy, she's happy, so I'm happy. So yeah, but anyways, you guys, I'm gonna end off the vlog here because I did a lot and I'm tired, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Pretty girl gang. Pretty girl gang. If you are not bad and don't get it back, then you cannot sit with us. Let me hear you say, pretty girl gang. Pretty girl gang. If you don't spend cash, then don't grab a glass, but you cannot sip with us. Let me hear you say, pretty girl gang. Pretty girl gang. All of my bad bitches. Pretty girls. Let me hear you say, pretty girl gang. Pretty girl gang. Cause most of these girls is average, and me and my girls, we the baddest. Pretty